Hi everyone, this time I would like to share with you about one of the newest Samsung Galaxy S series, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first time I got this phone, one thing that I noticed was this phone is now using titanium frame, not like the previous S23 Ultra that used aluminum aspect frame. This frame is said can improve durability and enhance resistance against dents. Also, the titanium frame give you more elegant and modern look. In the rear side, you can see that you still have triple ring design, and to my surprise, this phone is now no longer having a curved edge. It's now flat out. If you like to use S Pen a lot, this flat display is more practical. Also, it makes you easier to apply a screen protector in case you want to. Still on the display, this phone is now using a brand new Gorilla Armor. It said it can reduce reflection by up to 75%, 4 times more scratch resistant, and it uses 25% recycled materials. Also, combined with peak brightness of 2600 nits, it makes the screen so bright and easier to see in a daylight. The display size is quite similar with the previous S23 Ultra. It has 6.8 inch with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2 times technology. The LTPO allows AMOLED to use high refresh rate and still be power efficient at the same time. The display supports the resolution up to Quad HD plus resolution, and it has adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. One more little thing on this display, it's now embedded with Qualcomm 3D Sonic sensor powers, which is the first ultrasonic fingerprint readers on mobile devices. However, this time I won't talk about the hardware specification details because regardless of what the hardware is, this phone is so powerful and amazing to use. Okay, let's move to the next part. As we have known that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with the Galaxy AI is here tagline. So in this part, we will try some of the AI features. However, you have to remember that since it's a cloud base, you have to have the internet connection in order to be able to use these features. The first one, we will try instant slow motion features. To do so, we have to open a video in the gallery. As you are watching the video, just press and hold on any part of the video you like to watch in a slow motion. This feature works by using generative AI to create new frames. In result, applying a slow motion effect to the video you are playing. This feature gives you a quick look of how the video will look like in a slow motion without you have to go to the edit screen and apply the slow motion on it. If you found the result was great, you can then go to the edit screen and apply the slow motion into the video and save it. Next, the second AI-based feature, still in your gallery, we will try photo editing. With this AI feature, you don't need to waste your time to wait a perfect background or situation to get a better photo. Just take a photo with your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and then tailor it with the AI filter as you need. To do so, we have to open a photo in the gallery app. Tap the edit icon. It looks like a pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. And then tap the 3-star icon. As the example, we will try to erase the plastic bag from this photo. Tap and hold the object you like to remove, in this case, the plastic bag. And then tap the eraser icon. Tap generate button to let the AI fill the missing background. Ta-da! You can see that the plastic bag has been disappeared from the photo. You can tap done button to save the change. And then you can save the photo you have just edited as a copy or replace the original one. With this feature, now you don't need to worry a certain object will ruin your photo. Just let this AI feature to get right the object of your photo. However, it's just the example. This AI feature not only allows you to remove an object from your photo, but also to resize, move, and rotate an object in your photo too. Next, the third AI-based feature. It is called a chat assist feature. Now we have to go to the screen where we can type something with your Samsung keyboard. As the example, we will use it while texting with WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show your Samsung keyboard. And then tap the 3 stars icon at the top of the keyboard. Here you have some options available. First, we will try chat translation. So, are you the one who need to text someone with different language? If so, this feature will definitely help you. So, let's try this. Select the source language or the language you are using. As the example, we will select English. And then select the target language or the language you like your phone to use as the translation result. As the example, we will select French. Next, type something in English. And you can see a magic happens here. Your phone will automatically translate the text you are typing to the selected target language. With this feature, you can easily chat with someone with different language. It's just like you are a native. As a note, for the moment, the chat translation feature support to 15 languages. However, it's just the example. The chat access feature also lets you apply a different writing style, such as professional style, casual style, and else. This ability will help you to switch your messages depend on who you are talking with easily. The chat assist feature will also let you do the spelling and grammar check. So you don't need to worry that the messages you send had a wrong spelling and grammar. Well, since this video is just made to show you how the real Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra looks like in our hands, the first glance of this phone appearance, and of course some AI based features that have been the talk of the town for a while. This video surely will just cover a very small percent of what we could learn and get from this phone. As per today, we will start learning of how to use this phone with its amazing specification and features, of course, to improve our daily life and make it easier than before. So please kindly let me know what kind of video about this phone you like to have. Drop your comment, insight, and your fresh experience with this phone in the comment section. Okay, finally, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great. Have a nice day.